red skin and skeleton of crocodile. He was named Rio, R-I-O. He's a male saltwater crocodile captured August 4, 1990 in Rio Tuba River, Bataraza. That's in the southern part of Palawan. So Rio is 17.6 feet 5 meters, and he was captured because he attacked and killed a fisherman. It was confirmed that he swallowed the right leg of the victim. So only the right leg po, because crocodile is big, they cannot swallow a whole human body. They can only consume 1 to 2% of their body mass. So they don't eat too much, they have a slow metabolism. So don't worry with Mr. Still leftovers. So after 5 months po in captivity, Rio died because of stress related to his transport. I know you still remember Lolong the crocodile po niyo. Lolong is also a male saltwater crocodile like Rio, captured sa Talibandila in Agusan del Sur in Mindanao. So not here in Palawan, Lolong was never here in Palawan. Lolong is 20.3 feet or 6 meters, 1 meter longer than Rio. That's why he was recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's largest saltwater crocodile ever captured from the wild. So after,
Anong rank niya?
siya po ay 17 feet. Noong time po lang siya yung biggest, but now, si Rio po. All in the Philippines po yun. Because in the wild po, sa mga normal size ng crocodile, ganito po kami, 17 feet. So Lolo po is sobrang laki na rin. Ayan. So si Lolo po ay National Museum po in Manila. So everyone asks for the skin of Rio. It has no commercial value anymore. So this can no longer be used for making crocodile products like leather bag, shoes, belt, or wallet, because Rio, he was estimated 60 years old when he died. So this is too fine and very dry for the machine to process. So the one that they use for making those products are made from the younger saltwater crocodile, which is about 3 to 4 years old na po. And also the crocodile meat, this is tapa, lechon, burger, barbecue, was made from the younger saltwater crocodile. But then from here, it was locally imported from the licensed farm of Teresa Rizal, Davao, Cebu, and Tarlac. Because this farm, we are for conservation, special project of the Philippine government for the province of Palawan. So everyone, our first stop will be the hatchling house. So first, you will see 1 to 3 years old juvenile crocodiles. And for your safety po, if you love your fingers, everyone please hands off. Don't put your things inside the tanks of the baby crocodiles, even though they're still young, but they can jump, bite, and cut off your fingers. You have cell phones and cameras, you can take pictures and videos anywhere. Just kindly turn off the flash to minimize the stress to our young crocodiles. And as we go to the beds of big crocodiles, you will see almost sameness of the skeleton alive in kicking po. So please be careful with your things not to fall inside their beds, especially mga cell phones na baka hindi makukulit.
Normal na lang. Normal size.
This is how we identify the gender of the crocodiles. So we cannot identify with the physical appearance. We need to perform what we call the cloaca procedure. So we need to physically examine the crocodiles by using forceps for the hatchlings. For the juveniles po, we use our fingers. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 fingers. Kapag kasi laki na po ni Rio at ni Lolo, we use our whole hands. So this is how we do our crocodile gender reveal. It's a boy. Yung kanyang patuloy, medyo jutes lang to, sakto na.
Jutes
Jutes lang po. Small banana po. And everyone, so lastly for you for designated, we have 24 species of crocodiles in the world, but here in the Philippines, we only have 2. The first one is the Philippine crocodile, or freshwater crocodile, which is endemic here in the Philippines, only in the Philippines. They can only be found in the northern part of the Philippines and southern part of the Philippines. So here in Palawan po, we don't have Philippine crocodiles. What we have here in Palawan is the second species, the same species of Rio and Lolong, which is the largest and most aggressive species of crocodiles in the world, the saltwater crocodiles. They can grow 6 to 7 meters long. Unlike the Philippine crocodile, one of the smallest species of crocodiles in the world. That is sounds very average Filipino. So as I said po, we don't have Philippine crocodiles in Palawan in the wild, but here in our facility po, you will see them because we are a conservation breeding facility for them because they are now critically endangered or in extinction. So why here in Palawan? Because this is the only crocodile farm during that time that can conserve breed our Philippine crocodiles. And everyone crocodiles, they do lay eggs once a year only. Here in the Philippines po during summertime, March, April, and May, and their eggs will hatch after 90 days, 3 months, or rainy season here in the Philippines. The Philippine crocodile can lay 30 to 40 eggs, and saltwater crocodile can lay 40 to 80. Quite a lot, but in their natural habitat, only 30% will hatch because sometimes they have predators or some of the eggs po are infertile or nabubugok. Stop po muna tayo dito. So here po we have the breeding area at the back. So once they lay eggs, we need to collect po yung kanilang mga eggs and put them inside the incubators for us to reach the 80 to 90% of the batch of the eggs will hatch. And did you know po that we can manipulate their gender? Pwede po gawing lalaki, pwede po gawing babae. Yes po, sana all. Yes, pala din siya. Paano po ba? Kapag Philippine crocodiles po, that's 30 to 32 degrees Celsius possible female, 33 male. For the saltwater crocodiles naman po, 30 to 31 female, 32 male, 33 female. 40 degree, that's already gay. Wala pa po tayong gay na crocodile po, tour guide pa lang. Okay, so we have 1,000 plus crocodiles here po, but you will only see more or less 200 po. The capacity of this farm is up to 7,000 po. So what we do, we conserve, we breed. If there's a chance, we will release them back in their natural habitat. Hindi po kung saan-saan, only in designated sanctuaries lang po. We only release po 2 to 5 years old so they can still learn how to live on their own. And bakit po ba tayo nag-release? Kasi yung crocodiles po, they have important role on balancing our ecosystem. Sila po yung dahilan kung bakit mayaman po yung Palawan sa yamang dagat. Dahil po sa presensya po nila. Ayan. And if you, paano po ba? Ang crocodiles po, parang po silang karabaw po ng ating riverbed. So kapag naararo po nila yun, may umangat po ng mga nutrients, may pagkain po yung mga isda. And yung poops po nila become fertilizer po sa mga aquatic plants. Pag maraming aquatic plants, mas marami pong titirang isda. Maraming isda po para sa mga tao. So yung mga tao yung mag-benefit po sa kanila. Kaya never compare po sila sa mga ano po, na hindi po gumagawa po na maganda.
Yung ating mga...
Ayan. And if you want to have your own crocodile farm po here in the Philippines, baka may gusto po crocodile farm, this is the only place where you can buy your breeder stocks of saltwater crocodile. So once you are approved with permit po under the DNR. So once approved po, bibili po kayo dito and magiging inahin sa kabarako niyo po yan sila. Papalaki niyo na po yan sila. Ang crocodiles po is 50,000 per crocodile. Minimum po 50 pieces po yun. 50 times 50,000 po magiging po yung price po niya. Para po maraming chance po na mag-breed po sila, may maibenta po kayo. Okay? So everyone, hands off po tayo. Turn off the flash effect cameras. They are nocturnal animals, most active at night, but it doesn't mean that they are sleeping right now. So they are awake, like steady, like stuck there, so don't expect them to move. But sometimes they're fighting po. We'll stay here for 2 to 3 minutes, observe silence, and let's begin the elimination round. Welcome to Jurassic Park. So we feed them here for chicken, pork, fish, beef once a week, only not every day. We only give them small chunks for them to swallow it easily because crocodiles when they cannot chew their food, they just swallow it. And if you notice po, may isang crocodile po sa nakatapit sa left side, yan po yung kalaawin po. Iliwais ang bumukas ng kasama. Suppose pwede na natin, crocodile mo natin is more speaking fighter. So we need to separate them from alpha. So look at the difference po dito, mga 1 to 3 po. Ito po nasa 1 to 2 years old na po ito. This is the Philippine crocodile po. Look at the skin from the neck to the tail. It's stripes and aligned. 3 meters po kaya po na inaki-makikita niyo po doon. Compared to saltwater, ito po. Lalo na guys. Ito po yung living po, Hermes, Gucci, some of the products po are made from this species. Ito po yung mga pinakahuli po for crocodile sisig. But again, hindi po sa Palawan po pinakahuli. Yes po, kaya Zenzel, Davao, Cebu, and Tarlac po. So, in the Pacific crocodile po, they can also be found in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Australia, Vietnam. Migratory po yan sila. They can cross countries po kahit walang passport. Mas backdoor na.
Lagi bang galit ang crocodile?
Yes po, sir, aggressive po yan sila, sir. Opo. Ano pa din sila? Makakabay na sila. Nasa 2 years old na ito, sir. Sa mga bubuhat po ng crocodile, mamaya ito po pala kung doon yung kain. For additional 60 pesos po, sa itong kawakan sa kapatid ang gusto. Sa mga gusto ng mga free, wala ng free po. Mamaya po sa mga may oras pa, kami rin ay white center para sa tabigang muna nila na matatagpuan po sa nilalagyan po ng confiscated, na-rescue, takeover, donated po ng mga animals dito po sa ating binibigay. Kapag na-rehabilitate po natin sila, fit to survive pa, pinapakawalan pa po namin. Kapag hindi na, for good na po dito sa aming for conservation, kung may time pa po kayo, punta po kayo sa ating nature park po mamaya. So everyone, our next station po, Pens of Big Crocodiles, you will see, nasa 60 to 80 years old na po yan sila. Mga non-breeders, non-reproductive, sila po ay for educational purpose and for display na lang. May isang crocodile po tayo naka-display doon, may kaso po siya ng human-crocodile conflict. Ibig sabihin, siya po hinuli po sa kanyang natural habitat, dinala po sa amin na nakatake at nakapatay din po ng tao. Nakatake, nakapatay, may kaso nakakulong na po siya. At, ingatan na po. Ingatan po, gamit po ang cellphones, wallets, bags na hindi po makulog sila po ng kulungan nila dahil hindi ko po alam kung paano kukunin. Mas malaki pa po yan sila sa akin, baka pag kinuha ko maging kwento na lang po ako bukas. Kaya po yung kwento. Ayan, tutulay po tayo doon, tanong niyo matibay po ba ang tulay, hindi ko rin po sure. Sorry, matibay po yan. Okay, so everyone, dito po sa ating panel, we have other endemic birds from the Philippines. We have the Philippine red-vented kakatu, Palawan panging mayna, Palawan hornbill, and the blue-nape parrot. Yung blue-nape parrot po na yun, siya po yung nasa likod ng 500. Ito po siya.
Green.
So, ingat po sa pag-akyat. Welcome to Jurassic World. Okay, so everyone, welcome po sa pens ng ating mga big crocodiles. Everyone to your right side, our candidate number 1 from the province of Aklan. That's why he was named Aklan, hindi po Akla, Aklan. 16 feet male saltwater crocodile, 65 to 70 years old na po si Aklan. So their lifespan is up to 100 years, but it depends on their health and their environment. As you can see po, he's underwater. They can't breathe underwater, but they can hold their breath for 2 hours. They can still drown. Maaari pa rin po silang malunod. We feed them here po karning manok, tapoy, isda, baka. Baka po, once a week lang po. Hindi po everyday. Actually po, they can survive for 1 year without eating. Ayan, opo. Ganun po katindi. Ito naman po yung nakatake at nakapatay po ng tao, si Mar. From CQ Marabangay, sa YouTube Palawan. They are both victim po because humans are not part of their diet. It just happened that they cannot identify if you are human or animals. So once you enter or invade their territory, they will attack you hungry or not. So we need to adjust po sa kanilang habitat po, hindi po si crocodile. Tayo po mga tao yung kayang umunawa sa ating paligid.
Sorry naman.
Ayan. Ito naman po yung ating pinaka mahaba, si Makmak. 17 feet kasi haba na po ni Rio, yung skeleton sa labi. 80 years old na po si Makmak, captured in Barangay Macarascas, one of the rural barangay po ng Parang Province sa City, 17 feet. Sino po gusto magpa-picture? Pasok mo po sa loob. Ito yung first and maybe the last time. Ayan. So yung tubig po nila dito, hindi po yung tubig dagat po nga, tubig tabang lang po yan. They can adapt to salt water, fresh water, and brackish water. Mas prefer pa rin po nila ang tubig tabang kaysa po yung tubig dagat. At dito naman po sa ating next 10, 15.9 feet, nasa 65 years old si Kalayaan. Nahuli po, huli. Nilipat po sa kanyang bagong penong araw po ng Kalayaan, kaya po Kalayaan yung kanyang pangalan. Nilipat po siya dito. Siya po ay nasa 15.9 feet. Meron po silang 66 na mga ngipin at kaya po nila magpalit ng ngipin sa buong buhay po nila 3,000 beses po. Sana all po no, kapag nabungi, tutubo lang po ulit at limited teeth. At dito naman po sa ating next pen, ayan po yung ating mga grupo ng Philippine crocodile or freshwater crocodile na nasa 4 to 8 years old na po yan sila. Sila rin kapag may pagkakataon pa po, pwede pa pong ma-increase sa kanilang natural habitat kapag wala na po for good na po dito for conservation. Look at the skin from the neck to the tail, it's stripes and aligned. Pasensya na po wala po sila mga pangalan din, hindi ko rin po kayo isa-isahin, magkakamukhalan po. Ito po yung saltwater, porcabats, checkered, spotted po, and spots. So nabanggit ko po na pwede po kami magbenta ng saltwater crocodiles sa ibang permitted farms. Pero yung mga nandiyan po sa loob, hindi naman pwedeng ibenta yung iba po dyan kasi po oversized na. Ay, hindi po sir, medyo makubi lang po ng konti. Pero 18 din po siya pag lumaki.
May
Hindi pa po
pangalan lahat yan.
wala po sir, po kayo isa-isahin. Ayan. So ito po, pwede po tayo magbenta kaso nga lang po iba po dyan oversized na. May standard size na po tayo na pwede po magbenta sa ibang farm. For good na po dito for future videos ko natin. May nahulog na po ba? Wala pa naman. Ayan. So hindi pa po ito critically endangered tulad po ni Philippine crocodile pero yung status po nito ngayon ay threatened species na rin sa wild kasi po madali na pong mag-decline yung kanilang population due to illegal poaching. Kaya nga po sabi ko, only large saltwater crocodile lang po yung allowed to commercialize. Puso po kasi ubo ngayon. May naubo siya. Baka nilalamunan. Ayan. So ito naman po sa ating last pen sa kanan, we have Taupi. 12 feet long, 20 years old. From Tawi-Tawi mo buka kung nakakatayo pa po yun siya. Siyempre, kaya po pong tumalon, kaya pong abutin po yung napakan ko natin, nauntog po siya dito. Gusto nyo pasampo? Ayan. So, ang crocodile, ang Philippine crocodile po natin, hindi na po namalaki na ganyang kalaki. Ito lang po, look at the size, pero Filipino. Yan, Philippine crocodile po, Pilipino. Siya po yung design. Isa po siyang babaeng Philippine crocodile or freshwater crocodile. 15 years old, sexually matured, ready for the breeding season. So, right now, don't tell anyone, never been kissed, never been touched, virgin crocodile. Maybe next year, ayan. So dito na po nag-end ang ating garden tour. Kung magkano po kayo, you can now proceed to our
Virgin coconut oil.
house. Just keep 1 meter distance from the enclosure of our animals. So we have Palawang bear cat, Palawang porcupine, Palawang bearded pig, snakes, turtles, shepherd eagle, green and parrot pigeon, Palawang peacock peasant, tikbalang manananggal doon, di meron po tayo dyan sa loob. Pag naligaw, baligtad na po yung mga damit. Ayan, ang picture taking with crocodiles kung pa kayo pupunta po sa ating exit, sa main entrance. Thank you so much. Good afternoon po. Have a great day po.
Thank you. Tayo.
Sigurado mo lahat yun. Kahit yata tulog yun eh, alam na ang sasabihin. Kahit tulog, alam na ang sasabihin.
Ding, 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 dong. Nani,